Hello guys, welcome back again to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can open or reach, we can say, an app from the control center. All right, so tap and hold. Okay, after that, tap and hold, add a control. All right, scroll down until you find shortcuts. Okay, so from here we have two options. Choose the second one, which says open app. After that, choose the app that you want to be to be opened, okay, from the control center. Now here, as you can see, we have like a long list of all the, we can say, apps available on your device, okay, or we can say your iPhone. Okay, so let me see. Okay, I'm gonna choose, okay, watch. I mean, this is just like an example, right? And then that's it. All right, as you can see, now if I tap on that one, all right, I go straight to the app that I have chosen. All right, and you're able to open it from the control center. Now you can do this for yourself, for all the other, you can say, apps available on your device. Thanks for watching. See you next time.